Hi soup fans, check out this one, beef and chicken foot pumpkin soup. My first soup of 2026. Hope you guys enjoy. Continue watching to see how I prepare this one. Thanks for all my returning supporters, and for the newcomers, welcome as well. And here I have my meat. I'm washing this with vinegar. I'm going to season this and allow my water to come to a boil, then I add them. So just continue watching guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. This one is pretty much a self-explanatory, nice, easy soup video. So continue watching. So there you have it guys, my nice easy pumpkin soup with chicken foot and beef. As you see how simple this was guys. Yes, fast and easy, but this is what I wanted today for my dinner. So hence I make my pumpkin beef soup. So thanks again for watching and happy new year's if you're just coming on. I hope this year be very successful for you and all your dreams come true. So here is my bowl of soup, guys, full with lots of goodies, and the taste was so delicious. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please watch to the end, like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe for more. So until next time, stay blessed. Bye for now.